everybody, Dean here in Dean's Summer Shop, and I came across one of my extension cords that has a broken negative pin. So extension cords are expensive. These are not. You can buy one of these for $3 at your hardware store or Home Depot or whatever, and it's pretty straightforward. And if you haven't done it, all you need really is, because this is an old one, it's a regular old flathead screwdriver, and this one is a Phillips or flathead screwdriver, so you'd probably be pretty good either way. So I'm going to show you how to do that, because holy balls, that's fast. Okay. Take your top off. We're going to take this apart. There's all your parts needed. Now we're going to take this apart. Now this, I think this looks like it's already been repaired. Like this is a repair. So I'm repairing a repair because this is a really old one. This is really old. Well, it's got Brandon's initials on it. All right, this is taking too long. Okay, now these screws are on the back. That hold the two pieces together and brings it out. They're on the back for some reason. That one's up. And that one's up. Okay. Let's get this thing apart. Let's see what we got. Okay. This got to come off. Okay. So I'm just gonna, I'm throwing these away so I don't get confused with the newer one. And then this should by all rights. Yeah, this one's been abused. Okay, and there we go. I'm gonna undo that. Okay, and it looks like, I mean, depending on how far I have here, but I don't think I even have to, strip this unless the cords are bad, and I don't see that they're bad. I think it's just fine. So, twist these up a little bit, make them a little bit tighter, stick them through here, all three of them. All right. Now, the black always goes, see, this is silver, this one is silver, and this one is brass. So what we're going to do, we're going to open it up like that, and the black one's going to go right in there, okay, and then we're going to tighten that up after I put the right thing in. Okay, and then the white goes to the white one. See what I told you? It's simple. The green one is the ground. Come on. We're just going to stick that right in there. cool. Okay, I'm going to tweak these down just a smidge. Just to make sure that they're good. They are. Okay. Oh, shoot. You know what I forgot to do? Well, I forgot to take off the old one. So, what's the guy to do? He's going to take his snippers, and he's going to go... I'm not taking them off. Unless I absolutely have to. And he's going to go... I'm not taking them off. Unless I absolutely have to. I swear to God, if I don't make one mistake per video, I would be doing really well. But... oh no, I might actually have to take that off. Shit. Alright, then I'm not going to show you this. Maybe I will, because that's just how easy it is. So white. And I actually have to do this to my, I got a retractable in the middle of the garage roof ceiling over there. And, it has a cracked wire in it. And it's not working. Green is ground. Okay, now I'm going to tighten these up just a smidge. I'm going to put this together. That's the top. You should be able to, because there's going to be a tab. There's like a little tab right here on this end, where there isn't one on those screws. There's one tab here, and there's a little slot. There's a little slot that is where that goes. All right. So it can only go one way, which is cool. Put the screws in there. And these go down really fast as you watch this. This goes down just one, not even a full turn, full rotation of the screwdriver. Okay, and then these can go either way. Oh, there's a flat, so this goes like, this can go like that, okay. And then this way. You can usually tell they don't go too many other ways. It's just and I'm going to tweak them down with by hand, so I know how much the right amount of pressure is there. And voila! There you go. One swapped out plug on an extension cord that I would love to use, and now I can. So there you have it.